Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Tom.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
What's this?
It's a pen.
Where is the bus stop?
Over there.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
English.
Do you work?
Yes, I work in an office.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Brown.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one brother.
How many people are in your family?
4.
What's your father's job?
He's a doctor.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What's your friend's name?
Her name is Sarah.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, very much.
What's your favorite food?
Rice.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Hi. Hi.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine. I'm fine. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Mara. My name is Mara. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Jack. My name is Jack. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 18 years old. I'm 18 years old. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from London. I'm from London. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. I like pizza.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport?
I like football. I like football.
What's your favorite music? What's your favorite music?
I like pop music. I like pop music.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
I like comedy movies. I like comedy movies.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. I like pizza.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do first in the morning? What do you do first in the morning?
I wash my face. I wash my face.
Do you eat breakfast? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day. Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What time do you go to work? What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m.
What do you do after work? What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV. I relax and watch TV.
What book are you reading now? What book are you reading now?
I'm reading an English book. I'm reading an English book.
Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading every day. Yes, I like reading every day.
When do you usually read? When do you usually read?
I read in the evening before bed.
How many books do you read in a month? How many books do you read in a month?
I read 2 or 3 books. I read 2 or 3 books.
What is your favorite type of book? What is your favorite type of book?
I like motivational books. I like motivational books.
How long do you study every day? How long do you study every day?
I study for 1 hour every day. I study for 1 hour every day.
How do you learn English? How do you learn English?
I learn English by watching videos. I learn English by watching videos.
Do you read English books? Do you read English books?
Yes, I read simple English books. Yes, I read simple English books.
Do you practice speaking? Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I practice speaking with my friends. Yes, I practice speaking with my friends.
Do you like learning English? Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English. Yes, I like learning English. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
See you later.
See you later.